0552584590. Yes, good morning. This is back to sender padlock. Back to sender padlock. If you have strong enemies, if you have comrade, if you have people who are envy of you, this direction goes to you. Now it's a simple direction. Okay, it's a simple direction. If you want to have your peace, your freedom, this is it. Take a bucket of water, mix with salt, mix it with salt. Now recite Psalm 36 3 times. If you're Muslim, recite Kulu Allah 3 times. Take your bath with it. Okay. Now take this padlock, circle around your house 7 times. 7 times while the padlock is in your hand. Yes, you go around the house 7 times. Now until the seventh, stand in one place. You can stand in front of the house or middle of the house. Start calling the names, those people who are envy of you, very strong envy, very strong jealous. Call them.